So, hi dear Libra, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a 7-day 7 Oracle messages reading for all the Libra, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 6th till the 12th of July 2026. Keep in mind, this is general, this might or might not resonate with you. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you, okay? For personal reading, healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start, Libra. I'm going to give this deck a really good shuffle so that I don't have to shuffle it again and again. Let's see. Let's see. Libra, the overall energy for Libra people for this week. Okay, come here. We have the Six of Ariel. Material needs get fulfilled in magical and unexpected ways. Some kind of material gains are foreseen in this week for you guys. Acts of kindness. The more you are going to be kind, the more the universe is going to bring you more and more blessings and happiness. Giving or receiving with a grateful heart. Your energies are going to be very open to giving and receiving with a grateful heart. So the attitude of gratitude and gratefulness in this week is going to give you guys a lot of good and beautiful and positive results. Okay, making you feel happy from inside. Cool. Let's see the messages. For sixth, we have the Three of Gabriel. Prosperity arising from wise planning. If you guys are planning to do something regarding your finances or money, there are very high chances that your prosperity, abundance, your money energy is going to get enhanced. Time to take the next step. Now, if you were in the planning stage, now you can take the action. Optimistic plans that turn out expected. The results of your planning, the results of your wise planning is going to be quite good in the coming future. Not immediately, but eventually. 7th of July, we have the Eight of Michael. You can be free. Make a courageous choice to change your situation, not seeing things clearly. You might be feeling like you are trapped in a situation, and no matter what you are doing, you are not able to get out of that. This is just your illusion. You can be actually free. Make a courageous choice to change your situation. All you have to do is make a choice or decision and stick to that choice or decision of yours, and you are going to be free. Right now, you're not able to see things clearly because you're stuck. You feel like your mind is telling you that you're stuck. But once you're going to make a choice or decision regarding a situation that you're feeling stuck in, you are going to be out. You are going to be free. It's all about you and your choice. So we have 6, 7, 8th of July, we have the World card, a very happy ending, coming full circle, spiritual growth and insight. If you guys are working on your spiritual energies consciously, there are very good chances that you guys are going to go to the next level, whatever it is in your case. For others of you, you might be working on a project, or you might be working on something, and something is coming full circle. This is the completion of a cycle in your life, in some area of your life, and that is going to be quite beautiful and positive. Okay, growth and insight is growth and spiritual growth, and otherwise also a lot of growth is happening on this day. So we have 6, 7, 8. Ninth, we have the High Priestess, powerful psychic insights. Again, if you guys are deliberately working on your spiritual growth and your spiritual energies, you guys are going to get a lot of powerful psychic insight this week. Reflection and meditation that provides valuable information. If you are feeling tired or stressed out in your life and you're not able to figure out few things in your life, sit with yourself, connect with your inner peace, connect with your inner self, and you will be able to get valuable information, insights, and solutions to the problem that you guys are facing. Be at peace with whatever is happening right now. The more you're going to resist changes, Libra, the more it's going to be difficult for you to move forward. So accept the changes, because change is the only constant, and keep moving forward. Do not resist it. So we have 6, 7, 8, 9. 10th, we have the Four of Raphael. Seek out other possibilities. Look for the magic in life. Be aware of your own emotions. So you're emotionally very weak these days, or you're emotionally all over the place, like maybe on this particular day. So try not to make any kind of choice or decision when you are this much in emotional energy, right? Seek out other possibilities. Now you might be stuck on this idea of my way or highway kind of energy. There are other possibilities also, there are other opportunities also that you can seek out for, and you are going to get better results. So don't refrain from looking for other opportunities or seeking for other opportunities to look for the magic in life. Life is beautiful, life is positive. The resistance to certain things is making it difficult for you. The not being able to be flexible and open minded is making it difficult for you, and something related to your emotions is there that you need to work on in order to be at peace. with the present moment, so that the future can be okay. Okay, the present, like, no, the future never comes, the tomorrow never comes. We have just present moment only. If we are going to make the present beautiful, the future is automatically going to be okay. So we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th. 11th, we have the King of Ariel. Your plans are working out very well, professional and financial success, using resources wisely. Your plans regarding your money, job, career, finances is actually working out in your favor. Don't mess that up. I have this energy that I have this intuition that you might have this energy of, oh, everything is working out so fine. So let me try something totally different from what I'm trying to do right now, because I've now never tried that. Don't fuck this up. This is going good. You're going to get success in the coming future also. Use your resources wisely, whether it's like financial resources, or you have a team, or you have certain things in your life that's going fine. Use them wisely. Don't take them for granted. Okay. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12th, we have the new beginnings, starting a new life, finding your purpose, a forgiving and compassionate review of the past. You guys are going to have some kind of brand new beginning in a particular area of your life. You will be able to find your purpose in certain area of your life, like finding your life purpose maybe, or a purpose of what you should be doing in a particular direction. Like, let's say for example, in your relationship area, what you should be changing, what you should be doing, that purpose. A forgiving and compassionate review of the past is required in order to make peace with the present moment, so that again your future can be beautiful, and positive. So, forgiving and compassionate energies regarding your past in maybe multiple situations of your life is required in order to be at peace. Let's see the final guidance for you guys for this week. We have the Nine of Gabriel. Stay determined and move forward. Okay, the more you are going to be in determination kind of energy, the more you will be able to get things done. Be prepared for any possibility. Now, anything is possible. Nobody can tell you what exactly is going to happen, right? But be prepared for any possibility in a particular situation, whether it's something that you just started or you're about to finish. Either you're starting something or you're about to finish something. It's not, there's no middle energy here. Environmental activism, so this is not for every one of you, but if you are interested in some kind of environmental activism or volunteering or something, that is also going to make you feel that is also going to make you feel a sense of happiness, sense of, yeah, I'm doing something for people, okay, for the universe. That's good. You can join the army and be happy. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.